do it all? You want to do another one?
Look, I made a bit.
Hey boys, we're there. Caleb, get off him. Caleb.
Going now.
Going now, yeah. I'll be back tomorrow probably. Right, watch it doesn't drip. Yeah, there's the dog. Keeping the chickens in. Boys, we leave this way. Boys, we need to leave this way. Just tell that dog to get back in.
Dog back where it needs to be.
Careful going round here, big lad. Is everyone behind?
Yeah. Oh, he's not behind me, he's so far away.
Caleb, you're not behind me. You'll be right behind us. Midgies.
The bike's too small for you. It's not nice.
Oh, what a stop. Go on, have a shot. Four.
That's a point for me. 4-6. I mean 4-7. 4-7, you'll pick up. You're not shooting, or you're not just going. You're shooting.
Oh, what a goal.
If you can score topping.
Oh.
My cows.
The owner came round.
Did you? Celia. I saw her running around, but did you see her?
She just went, oh yeah, you nearly ready? I was going, no, I've gone to the night. She went, oh, you have, haven't you? And I says, oh, we had terrible difficulty with the owner.
You get stuck in the middle, you go in, and you get stuck in the middle. Come and get some.
We need some food, big lad.
Yeah.
That's it, stop.
5.
Oh.
75.
5. Green 6 and 7.
You getting the jackpot in the bottom by the sound?
Yes, there's 12 tickets that came out that time.
We need the jackpot. Give us
I don't think you're going to get the jackpot. Oh, Jill, who ended up with Jill there. Good ball, that, you know. Straight. Yes, right. Yeah, do you want to go on that one?
Yeah, you need to get the ball and throw it there.
Straight. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, it's a good throw, that holds. Super fast. Yeah.
Why does it look scary when you go in the...
Daddy said it's only under 20 minutes. It's tight. Literally, we were there. That's our own fence. Went, oh, we've got a campsite here.
When I was stalling.
Look at that.
Is that the castle?
Yeah.
You said it was a ruin?
No, that was the other one. Like goes right up into the trees.
But it's not even a piece like broken. Only the windows are broken.
It's all getting redone.
Oh, right. Screwed inside.
Got it.
Who the hell's that? Who the hell is that?
That's
In flying full time to win all 4 stars, they were surrounded by a team of special effects people in the wind machine.
What happened with the white water?
That was the end. That's the end challenge.
Like escape.
Kind of.
She's the beds a second.
Must be.
Don't want you get Ming and kill him. You get Ming.
This does not look good.
So celebrity slide going, isn't it? Please.
The actual plot used in one of the 2021 series and the select class 6 campaigns were split into 3 teams and they had to be locked and had to unlock the padlocks to avoid being gunged.
Ow, 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 ow. Get doing it, Ian.
I know, there's a seat. Just come up here and look, wouldn't you? Spend all the day.
Let me throw a rock down.
No,
Look, where are the rocks?
That's what you did.
There it was. 6. Get a photo. Pleasant. This is the actual set used in the 2021 series of I'm a Celebrity. The hot tub. Kiosk version, this is the coffee. This is the well as seen on there. Looks like it is.